When people talk about getting good results from AI, they usually say it's all about using the right prompts. But there's something else called context engineering, which most people don't understand. Prompt engineering is about optimizing what you put into your chats, specifying the task that you want in a sort of efficient way. But context engineering is much, much more than that. It's about controlling the whole environment that the large language model that you're using, the LLM, operates in. Using an LLM like ChatGPT or Gemini is like instructing a robot to play the piano. Prompt engineering is like telling the robot which piece of music to play and whether to play it fast and loud or soft and slow, for instance. Context engineering is about preparing the piano itself so that it makes a really nice sound, which means tuning it precisely to the way the robot plays. Click the link below to see the full video on these concepts. It's part one of lecture one, and it's called Introduction to Prompt and Context Engineering. It's all about understanding how prompts and context shape the LLM's response. And if you want the rest of this lecture, there are 3 more videos. It's all about how people who don't code can get to grips with using LLMs effectively. There's a whole playlist. It's called The No Coder's Guide to Surviving Generative AI. And it's making tools like ChatGPT work for everyone, not just techies.